landed in Queenstown Airport with my first officer, Mike.
Yeah. We've done a great job.
How was that,
Between
Mike?
us. That was fantastic. A lot of people don't make the airport. There's a lot happening, and we came in high, but you managed to control it nicely.
Well done, Shaun. Give him a fist pump.